Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another tutorial. My name is Ajay, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to thread your manual sewing machine. Yes, how to thread your manual sewing machine, be it Singer, Two Lion, the rest of them. This is butterfly sewing machine. But if you have this kind of machine, I'm going to be showing you how to thread it. If you're a new subscriber, we do sewing tutorials. We talk about fabric science, that's the science behind what you wear, to understand your materials and how to solve little fashion problems with what you have in your home. So let's get right into today's tutorial. So for this tutorial, like you need a machine, you need your thread. Now let's get started. For the first step, you place the thread on the spool pin. I'll be showing you as I continue. Place it. I like to pass it around like this for more tension. Then you place it on the upper hook. Pass it through the upper hook. And from the upper hook, you take it to your tension disc. What I'm pointing right there, that's your tension disc. So you pass your thread round your tension disc. I had to zoom in for us to be able to see clearly. So I hope this is clear enough. So you pass it like so. After passing it through the tension hook, pull it to make sure that it's tight. Yes. Then you take it up. You take it up to your lever. That's the lever. Yes, the take up lever. So I had to slow it down for you to be able to see what I'm doing clearly. I'm sorry I'm taking a bit of time with my voiceover. It's because while recording the video, I'm the only one doing the zoom in and zoom out, so that's why. So you pull it through your take up lever. After that, you pass it through the hook. There's a hook down there. It's called the lower thread guide. So you pass it through it. After passing it through it, you pass it through the needle bar hook. As I zoomed in, you can see there's something there. Yeah, so just put it in there. After putting it in there, the next step is to take it to the needle. So trim the mouth of the thread to make sure that it's very fine. Yeah, and then pass it through the eye of your needle from the front to the back, like so. Then pull it. Exactly. Just pull it in after you're done. So I'm going to do a quick recap of the steps. So the number one is the spool pin. Take it up to the upper hook, down to your tension disc, from there to the take up lever, to the hook, then to the needle hook, and then through your needle. So I hope this is clear enough. You have about 6 steps there. Don't forget to pass it to the back through the presser foot. And that's it for the tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you in one way or the other. Yes, and if it was helpful, I'd like you to leave a comment, a thumbs up, and yes, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also, you can share it, tell a friend to come and subscribe. I love you all so much. Thank you for supporting me. I do not take it for granted. Yes, I'll see you in my next video. And also, lest I forget, if you have issues with your sewing machine that you would like me to assist you with, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be there waiting to assist you however I can. I remain your girl, Style with Ajay. Bye.